Zoe Kravitz is a self-made actress and multi-millionaire. Today, she stands at a net worth of $36 million. And we all know that a massive part of her net worth came from the upcoming Batman movie, which is predicted to be a major hit. Zoe Kravitz is understood to be a smart spender who doesn't spend her wealth on just anything. But how exactly does she spend it? Let's find out. As we all know, Zoe Kravitz is a huge fan of accessories and understands the value of a high-end timepiece. Her Rolex Day-Date Gold watch, which costs around $34,000, is frequently seen on her wrist. This timepiece is definitely one of a kind, and it's as much an investment as it is a luxury. Zoe's most unique and astonishing purchases are yet to come, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to tell you about the millionaire lifestyle of Batman star Zoe Kravitz. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Zoe has an amazing real estate portfolio. She is the proud owner of a large 2,873 square foot apartment in New York City. She spent $8.7 million for the full 9th floor. The apartment provides her with all the privacy and security of a typical home, as well as all the conveniences of a high-end hotel. She also owns an 8,500 square foot Bel Air mansion with 4 bedrooms and 6.5 bathrooms, among several other properties. Her 2 acres of land are so well positioned that they provide views of both the city and the ocean. And her backyard landscaping around the pool area is nothing short of an outdoor oasis. The residence is luxurious and beautiful, with huge balconies offering breathtaking views. It's the ideal setting for a celebrity who has earned everything. She posts many pictures of different cars on Instagram and seems to spend a fortune on them. Her luxurious car collection includes a range of different colored Lamborghinis, a Rolls Royce, and a Ferrari. Aside from her many tattoos that came with an impressive price, she also accessorizes with pieces from her ultra-luxurious jewelry collection and will often be spotted in expensive chains and earrings. Actors usually lead a wildly exciting lifestyle, and Zoe Kravitz is no exception. She likes to party hard and frequently hosts parties at expensive hotels. Now, you might be curious about some of her most unique purchases, and this is what we are going to discuss next. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Actresses need to eat, so some of her expenses include her favorite foods. Domino's, Taco Bell, Go Greek Yogurt, Pinkberry, Pink Dot, and Shake Shack are among Zoe's favorite places to order, with to-go light omakase from Sugarfish topping the list. Zoe is also well known for her stunning looks. She maintains a tight relationship with her hairstylist to keep her locks shiny. She sees him every week for hair care, which costs a whopping $920 each treatment. But her self-care doesn't stop there. Zoe also enjoys getting massages as they keep her comfortable, healthy, and feeling rejuvenated. According to rumors, she spent more than $100,000 on a birthday trip to the Mexican wellness resort Chablé in 2017. Kravitz hasn't been seen on any lavish vacation in recent months, but it doesn't matter because she's still having a good time. She usually likes to show off her money by posting pictures on Instagram holding stacks of cash. It's safe to say that Zoe really enjoys the millionaire lifestyle. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think of the millionaire lifestyle of Zoe Kravitz? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.